Welcome to Minute to Learn It with Edric Magwan. The question for today is from Zin Chan. Zin Chan asks, in the Philippine setting, wherein the down payment of 20% of the total contract price is required, what is the annual cash flow to cash invested ratio that is acceptable? The metric you described is called cash-on-cash return, which is your annual cash earned over your cash invested. While it is a good metric to look at, there is no specific rule of thumb on what constitutes a good rate. You define what is worthwhile for you depending on your goal and the amount of work you will put in. Another metric that you may consider is capital appreciation. For me, my focus is earning more through capital appreciation due to the rapid growth of real estate prices in the Philippines. As such, my strategy is to acquire more properties as soon as possible through pre-selling properties. With this, I lock in my total contract price while paying a relatively small amount monthly and earn capital appreciation throughout the pre-selling period. If you invested in a high-demand area, by the time it turns over to you, rental income would have also grown significantly to help you in your cash-on-cash return. So there you have it. If you have questions that you'd like me to cover in my future videos, comment down below. And if you want to learn where and how to invest safely and smartly, schedule a Zoom call with me via the link in the description. See you guys next time! Check out my other videos and follow me on Facebook and Instagram for more investment tips.